Hey you guys, this is Uncle P from Super Easy Forex, and I am trading the Dow right now. This is the US 30, which is the Dow Jones Industrial Average, and I'm shooting this video because I want to show you guys, man, how powerful this system is. If anybody have ever traded the Dow on Forex, you know that it's a very expensive pair, but you can make a lot of good money. Anyway, I traded a lot of other pairs, but I wanted to show you this one because as you can see, it came in right here, came in with a signal, and look at that massive move right here. But here's what happened on this particular trade, and I'm on the 30-minute time frame, which is one of the favorite time frames, the 15 and the 30 that I like to use on the Dow. But as you can see right here, the trade came in. When it came down, and I entered right here on my first position. And as you can see, first of all, this is a live account, live. For those who doubt, there you go, it's live. But anyway, the point is I got in on the signal and I placed my stop loss where I teach you guys where to place it in the tutorial program if you sign up and purchase it. But good thing I did. Follow the rules. Why? Because what happened was it came in on the impulse move, which was really nice, but then it came back and retested the area. Okay? Like right here, you don't know when it's going to retest or not retest, because here's a potential retested area up here, but this time it did not come down and come up and retest. So you don't know when it's going to do that and when it's not. Okay, so therefore we just follow our rules and place our stop loss where it's supposed to be and let it do what it do. So this time it did retest, and as you can see, it came down, retested the area. When it came down to retest the area, because I trust my system, therefore I actually entered another position right here, which you can see it right there, and you can see the green line and the red line. Why? Because I've already moved my stop loss into profit to lock in profit for both of these positions. So no matter what happens from here, I'm guaranteed profit. Okay, guaranteed. And I'll probably move these up a little bit more when the video's done. I just want to show you how I use the system. So here, when it came back down and retested the area and touched and came back up, I knew, okay, here we go again. So what did I do? I entered another position right here. So here's the original position. Here's the secondary position, and therefore both of them shot up just like anticipated. You can see the take profit line is right here for the first position. I'll probably let the second one run and see how far it goes. So this is just showing you an example of how I'm using my own trading system on a live account. For those who have to see it being on a live account, you can see it, live account. So I'm showing you how I actually use it. So the deal is a lot of people are using stop losses incorrectly, and that's why when it comes back and retest areas, your stop loss get hit and mine's do not. Okay? So anyway, this is just a little video, and by the way, for those who want to check it out and see, hey, what time frame, or can I backtest what you just said? What you can do is look on the date of September 25th, 2020. So whether you're seeing this tomorrow or a week from now or 2 years from now, if you find this video and you want to test it out just to see whether it was actually true or not, you can go to what's called naked charts, take all indicators off, just go to a blank chart, and you can still spot and see whether this was true. So you can verify it for yourself, and that is, again, September 25th, 2020. All right, that's the date of this trade, and it's during the U.S. session. Thank you guys very much, and hope to see you on the inside with our trading system.